Hi everyone, welcome back. We are going to add our last element to our beautiful heart paper, and we're going to start to create a finished piece of artwork. We have to do the background behind the heart, and you're going to use some acrylic paint to do that. One of the first things you need to decide is if you want to actually paint some of the background color and then put a design on top, or if you just want to do an area with a white background and have a design on it. So you're going to use some just tempera paint, just normal paint. You can use a paintbrush, or you could even use a Q-tip and make different types of dots and designs. So Mrs. McElhaney is going to use just a couple paint brushes. So I am going to paint some of my background. Okay, I'm just going to use some tempera paint and put this as a background here, and then I'm going to let it dry a little bit while I do some other areas. Okay, so you're taking your time, you're kind of putting it on there like this. Whoops. So we got to take our time when we do it. Okay, so I have that nice bright, and maybe at the top, I don't think I'm going to paint the background. Maybe I'm going to make some bright dots. That red really stands out, right? It's nice and bright, just like the artist did. Remember whenever you saw his studio, how all kinds of things he had in there that were really, really bright? That's what you're doing with yours. Okay? Take your time. And then I'm going to add some yellow down here. Spread the paint out, right? Your tempera paint. Okay. Now, there's a couple things you can do over here on the purple. I can continue with adding some of the bright by putting red over top. See how nice it stands out? Add a little bit more. Ran out of paint. I know that you guys are going to make beautiful pieces of artwork. I can't wait to see your beautiful pieces of artwork created. And maybe I can do some over here. See how I'm putting color on top? When you're all done, boys and girls, you need to make sure that you have your name on it, so then we know whose it is, and you have now completed your beautiful piece of artwork that is surrounded by a heart. And what does a heart stand for? Love. So always remember to love one another. Have fun. I can't wait to see your artwork.